Speaking Leader, Unit 14, Customer Service, Pronunciation. This video will practice pronunciation of the sounds k, p and t. That's k, p and t. Listen to the difference between the sounds and repeat after me. K, p, t. Now listen to these words. Listen for the difference and repeat after me. Kill, pill, till, kill, pill, till. Cat, pat, tat. Cat, pat, tat. Court, port, taught. Court, port, taught. Kick, pick, tick. Kick, pick, tick. Cool, pool, tool. Cool, pool, tool. Now listen to these phrases related to customer service and repeat after me. Company policy. Peak time. Repair person. Keypad. Computer keyboard. Customer care recall. Repair policy. Retain task. Now, listen to the following customer service phone conversation and then read aloud the role of the customer with your response.
Hello. I've had problems getting through to you on the phone. I recently bought a kettle from your store and it's not working properly.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. We're very busy at peak time. We have a customer care team that can assist you with this. Okay, let's get to the bottom of the problem so we can help you. May I ask if you're familiar with our recall policy?
I didn't know there was a recall policy. What does that involve?
Well, if your model is affected, we can arrange for a repair or provide a replacement. Our goal is to retain your satisfaction as a customer.
Well, that sounds good. What do I need to do for the repair?
Well, have you kept your receipt? Just take the kettle back to our store with your receipt and we'll take care of the rest. It's a simple task and we'll make sure you have a reliable kettle again in no time at all.
Yes, I have kept my receipt and thank you for your help.
You're welcome.